Hello everyone. Welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Today we are continuing the same topic chart of chapter number 5 more on PowerPoint. So in the previous video I have explained you what is chart, components of the chart and how we can insert chart in our slide. So let's continue this topic. So you can see here, this one is my data sheet, and according to this data sheet, we have made the chart. So how we can provide formatting on this chart? Firstly, I'm closing this data sheet. When we insert a chart, you can see here in the chart tool, two tabs are here, design and format. This one is our design tab. If I want to change my chart type, for example, this is my column chart and I want to convert it into the another chart. So you can see here, there is one option that is change chart type. That is change chart type. In the design tab, we can see here change chart type. Firstly, we will click on it. When we click on it, you can see here one dialog box will appear, change chart type. And it contains many types of chart, column chart, line chart, pie chart, many types of charts are here. So which chart you want to take, just select that chart. And after selecting the chart, you can see here, these are the layout of this bar chart. I have selected the bar chart. So these are the different layouts of the bar chart. So which one you can't want to take, just select it and then click on OK. So again I'm doing the same. Click on change chart type, line chart, whatever you want to take, just select it and then click on OK. By default it is column chart. Which chart? Column chart. And in the column chart you can see here, this one is our cluster column chart. If you want to change it, stack column, 100% stack 3D, just select any one. I have taken 3D cluster. Okay. If I want to change the color of the chart, so you can see here in the design tab, change color. Change color group is here. In this, just click on the arrow. Which color you want to take, you can change the color. According to your requirement, you can change the color also. If I want to change the layout, for example, I want to see the table with the chart, I want to see the value with the chart, we can change the layout also. Before the change color, you can see here, there is quick layout. There is quick layout. So click on it and according to our requirement, just click on the arrow. You will see many layouts are here. You can see here. If you want to see the data sheet also with the chart, take this one. If you want to take the value also, you can see here. Value also we can take. The marks also displaying here. So it depends upon you which chart layout you want to take. So I have taken this one. You can see here. Chart is also here with the data sheet and legends. If I want to change the chart style, background color, whatever change I want to do, you can see here there is one option that is change chart style. That is chart style. You can see here. Click on it. According to our requirement, we can take any style. It depends upon you which chart style we want to take it. This is chart style. If I want to do some changes in my data sheet, then you can do it by just click on the edit data. Edit data, you can see here, edit data will be visible here in the data group. You can see edit data. You can see edit data is here. Just click on edit data, choose edit data. When we click on edit data, you can see here now my data sheet has also opened. If I want to change the value, for example, I am changing Ajay mark 67. You can see here, this one is Ajay English mark. I am changing it to the 31. You can see here, now Ajay marks are 31. In the chart also you can see this is 31. So whatever modification you want to do, I am changing the Mohit marks, math marks. I am doing it 89 here. So you can see here now Mohit math marks are 89, and in this one also you can see Mohit marks are 89. So like that you can do any modification which you want to do. If you want to change the text style, if you want to change the background, go to the format tab. In the format tab you can go, or one method is just right click on the plot area. You can see here shape styles. You can see here when we click on the format, shape styles are here. Shape styles. So it will be affect to only to the selected area. You can see here I have selected this one. Firstly, if I want to write something here, chart title I want to provide, use the backspace and then write it what title you want to give. What title you want to give, we can write it here. Firstly, press the backspace and then write down. I am writing here student marks detail. This one I have given the title. So if I want to provide any type of formatting on the complete chart, so I have selected the chart, then shape style. Which style you want to give, just select that style. Many styles are here. According to your requirement, you can take any style. Shape fill. If I want to fill particular color or particular picture, so you can see here, colors are here. If I want to fill the picture, gradient, texture, so whatever you want to fill, just take that one. It will totally depend on the selected area. It will apply to the selected area. If I have selected, for example, this one, Hindi marks bar, and now I am changing anything. Now I am changing the color, fill color, gradient, texture, whatever I am taking, that will affect to the, you can see here in the Hindi marks only. So it depends upon the selected area where you have selected, what you have selected. Shape outlining. If I want to change the outlining, select the area. I have selected the complete chart. Which outlining you want to give? You can provide, firstly, you can change the width also of the outlining. You can change the color also for the outlining. If you want to take the dotted line, we can do it. The dashes, you can see here. It depends upon you. We can provide the effects also. Shadow, glow, all the effect we can provide it. It's totally up to you which effect you want to provide. So you can see at the back side, the glowing you can see, yellow color glowing you can see. So according to our requirement, we can do it. If I want to rotate our text, 3D rotation I want to give, just click on anyone. Glow 3D rotation, it depends upon you. It totally depends upon you what you want to do. So you can see here 3D rotation. I'm just undoing it. Clear? If I want to provide the style to our text, like I have selected this one, student marks detail, word art styles. It's totally depends upon you which style you want to take. Just select that one. Increase the size. Which color, which shadow, what you want to take, just take it from here. Theme color. Width, if you want to increase the width also, you can see here. So I have provided formatting on the text. Here. So whatever area we have selected, if we want to change the background of the chart or anything, just you can right click also in the plotted area, or you can go to this option, shape outlining. Otherwise, go to the plotted area. In the plotted area, what you will find? You will find one option that is format plot area. When you will right click on the plot area, then we will find format plot area. Click on format plot area. From here also we can provide the solid fill, gradient, picture, texture, whatever, or from the format tab also. It depends upon you from where you want to take. See, I am again changing the texture. I have selected the plotted area, so you can see here my plotted area background has been changed. So whatever you have selected, so you can provide the background, you can fill the color by going to the shape styles, or by right clicking on the plotted area, we can change the plotted area. So by this method, we can format the chart according to our requirement. I am undoing it, or just click on no fill. No fill means plotted area I don't want to fill with anything. You can see here. So today we have done regarding the chart, how to format our chart.